Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so a little bit of a pullback. They came in and bought it. Back up, making higher highs relative to Friday's session. The Thursday high and Thursday, we took out the 2018 high from Thursday. So basically, new highs. Take out last week's high. If you look at the hourly chart, you can see it a little more clearly. We talked yesterday about how weekly pivot needs to hold for the bears. Bulls won that battle, and it was off to new highs. So we've had some support at the hourly mid-band, and that's pushing price back up to test this area. So, essentially what you've got here is 28.19 half. We've taken a couple trips up there. That's acting as, potential matching highs. You got a lot of day left. On the shorter term charts, you've got the 5-minute mid-band, VWAP, our proprietary moving average. They're all acting right now as support. You really would have to see a hard break of 16, even to just get back to 11. And once you get back to 11, it's just an invitation to buy. The bears have dug themselves quite the hole. And until they can convert weekly pivot to resistance, you have to assume that you are in a buy dips environment in this tape. On the shorter term charts, there's the potential for a lower high, but as we get into the open, look, unless they take this out, we talked about 2800 to 2804 as being the key, chunk of price that the two sides are going to battle over, and whoever won that chunk was very likely to win the day, if not win the week. Well, here's your open right here. 9 o'clock hour, 10 o'clock hour, 11 o'clock hour, fighting over what? 2800 to 2804. You had a move down to 94, then a move down to 96 that were both rejected. Once that 94, 96 was rejected, the 96 came right in the, your typical dip buy, low window type of a thing. It really was off to the races. They had made new highs by lunchtime, a very small pullback, and then highs into the close. The bears have a lot to overcome. And if you're looking at this tape realistically, you have to say to yourself, based upon the daily chart, that we're not parabolic. This thing hasn't run away. It's not overbought. It's none of those things. It's none of them. You had a move up that's consolidated here, and if the bears don't look out, it's going to push back up and start to engage this daily upper band because it has all this fuel from basically flatlining for the last 5, 6, 7, 8 sessions to do just that. So what do the bears need to do? They need to convert some areas that matter. And if they can't, then they're about to go for a ride. All right, everybody have a good one. I will be out with some more stuff on social as we get into the day. I will talk to you then. And until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.